Yeah, I'm Jason Krause, and I'm one of the co-founders of MatterVest, and this is John Levishan, my other co-founder. So MatterVest is we help you invest in companies that matter to you. Um, so on May 16th, 2016, the Jobs Act began as the first time since 1933 that the crowd could invest in private companies for equity and debt instead of just crowdfunding for a t-shirt or other rewards. And since then, there's been 25 plus crowdfunding portals that have active deals, and anybody here could invest as little as $100 in a company for a stake in that company. So there's three types of investors we've seen. There's the fan, which is just somebody that wants to support their local coffee shop. They want to say they're, and every time they go there, they want to say they're an investor and help support it. There's an impact investor that wants to make a difference in a particular space. So one of the big ones was Beta Bionics. They're helping people with diabetes, and they raised a lot of money from impact investors there. Then there's return investors, which are typical, like somebody that would, instead of investing in the stock market, which they invest in crowdfunding opportunities, which are a little higher risk but higher return if the company ends up going public or getting sold to another company down the road. So this is, like I said, this equity crowdfunding just launched last May. So we're at the beginning of the growth curve, and we're projecting like similar growth to other finance industries like index funds, and we're hoping that this can continue to grow and be as big a market as or bigger than the angel and VC community down the road. So our solution is we've put together an aggregated site that takes the deals from all of the other 25 plus crowdfunding portals that I showed at the beginning, and we help you analyze and figure out which opportunities you should invest in. And like through that, we help you figure out your return, your percent equity, and competition in the space. So yeah, I'm going to go to our site and go to do a quick demo. It's a live beta, so if anybody wants to go to MatterVest.com, you can view and go through our site as well. So here we have a list of these are active companies that are on crowdfunding portals. Anyone you click on will have a description. You can find their page and SEC filings. Then we help you figure out your return by selecting different companies and helping you figure out the returns and comparing them to other companies. And we figure out, this page lets you figure out, gives you all the deal terms and helps you figure out what percent equity you would get from the investment. So basically, and then our last feature that we built so far is a competitive analyzer that helps you go through the industries, and this is all based on Google search results. So if the industry has a lot of competition in search results, then it's viewed as more competitive, and we break it down into sectors that help you determine if your company is in a competitive space. And we actually just launched this beta site a few weeks ago, and we're continually adding new features and new tools to help you analyze these different companies. And Yeah, and our goal is just to make it easier. Instead of going through 25 different sites, you can come to one place, figure out an opportunity that matters to you and that you want to invest in. Thanks. Yeah. Yeah. So currently we're building up the user base, but we're going to build in different. It's more of a freemium model. So basically, at the basic level, you can get access to deals that have already occurred and analyze companies that have crowdfunded in the past. At a more premium level, you can view all the active listings and set filters and more advanced technology to help you with the active deals and analyzing more current opportunities and more features, and then an enterprise level for broker dealers and other more larger institutions. Yeah.
Yeah, I visited your site and I was confused because it looked like you were competing with these other sites that let you invest in private companies. But seeing the demo, it looks a lot more like you're trying to build an, do I have this right, like an analytics or like a research platform that sits on top of those to allow people to do more active research? Is that where you're
Yeah. So the question was whether it's competing with the other crowdfunding sites or more of an analytics tool. What we're building, it is an analytics tool that it's in addition to the other crowdfunding platforms. We're not having people invest directly through our site. You're still linked to a portal. What we're doing is providing one place for everyone to come analyze deals, and instead of 20 different layouts and designs of a crowdfunding page that are hard to analyze, we're simplifying it and making it easier to compare platform to platform. Yeah.
Tools for the investor who's not looking for a return, who's maybe looking to invest at this stage of environmental concern or something.
The question was about tools for the other types of investors besides return. At this point, that's one of the features we're building out next, is ways to determine based on the impact you're trying to make or other reasons you might want to invest in these companies. Like helping those type of investors as well. Are there any other questions? All right, thank you.